Yo, what's up guys, Dylan is here, back with another video. During the past month, I'm actually being true to my word, that is crazy. Anyways, we're doing another apparel speed art, this time inspired by Tekken 8. There are multiple reasons I wanted to do this, from the trailers for Tekken 8, including character reveals for fan favorites, such as Jin, Kazuya, Nina, Paul, and most recently as of this recording, Lars, to the fact that I myself have been getting into Tekken. Granted, I got a long ways to go. Also, please let Brian be a Tekken 8. The final reason being that since the game is far from being released, there is a limited amount of assets and no access to 3D models, making apparel designs a good challenge without it being impossible. And with all that out of the way, let's get this show on the road. This time around, we'll be working solely in Photoshop. I started by grabbing the Tekken 8 key art so I could cut out Kazuya and Jin using the select subject tool, then hitting Q to go into quick mask mode and brush over parts that needed to be included or removed. I'll let the video speak for itself. After this process is finished, I cut out Kazuya and Jin, then used the defense tool to clean up the render a little more, after which I decided to go for a vintage bootleg style by using the bootleg background assets from Frolimo and the vintage t-shirt mockup from Black Market. After doing some manual defringing, I bring everything over onto the mockup, including the Tekken 8 logo, but it was the version with black lettering, which will just blend in with the black shirt, so I made sure to grab the version of the Tekken 8 logo with white lettering. I quickly decided to go with the lightning background, then added a hue and saturation layer right after, so I could change the color to a more reddish color. I decided that this would fit Kazuya and Jin the best, with both of them being members of the Mishima clan, who are known for both their extreme dysfunctionality and electric based attacks, most famous of them being the Electric Wind God Fist, or EWGF for short. Utilized in game by Heihachi, Kazuya, and Devil Jin, while normal Jin uses his own variant, the Electric Wind Hook Fist, which requires the just frame to get the same results as the EWGF or even normal Wind God Fist. Alright, enough Tekken jargon, let's get back to the design. I decided I wanted to add the game slogan, Fist Meets Fate, to the shirt, and initially wanted to use the Tekken font or something similar to do so, but then decided against it since the text would not stand out at all and it'd be better to use a contrasting font, and after searching on the font for a little while, I settled on a font named Brolink. Yes, that is the actual name, I am not trolling. After changing the last word's color to match the A of the logo, I did some color correction, and again, gonna let the footage speak for itself. After finishing the color correction, I added the Mishima Zaibatsu logo on the left sleeve for a little extra touch. Another piece of Tekken lore for those who don't know, the Mishima Zaibatsu is an enormous business conglomerate with origins as a weapons manufacturing company. The Zaibatsu has branches around the world, has invested into a multitude of research fields, and has committed a laundry list of crimes, even while the ownership of the conglomerate was passed around between members of the Mishima family. Back to the design once again. I almost added the Bandai Namco logo, but that would have literally made zero sense given the bootleg style of this shirt. I then made some minor adjustments and experimented with adding a grunge overlay to the secondary text, but eventually decided against it. I'll let the footage speak for itself. And that about does it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I can't wait to upload more design videos, and I certainly can't wait to play Tekken 8. Again, please let Brian be in Tekken 8. With that being said, this is Villainous signing off. Hope y'all have a good one. Peace!